Fanatic here at Dr. Pepper Ballpark for Dirk's Heroes Celebrity Baseball Game. Mark Cuban addressed the media with a humbling statement about a few of the Santa Fe school shooting survivors who were in attendance tonight and also throughout the first pitch. Here's what he had to say.
Really show our appreciation and how much we care for some of the kids from Santa Fe, and so we flew them in with it. I believe Santa Fe High School. So thank you guys for coming in. I know it's been a rough patch. I know it's been a rough patch for you guys, but hopefully we can have some fun together and really enjoy it. You guys get to hang out with these guys and show them who the real stars are. So welcome guys and have a lot of fun.
Dak Prescott was not shy when it came to throwing his teammates under the bus for their baseball skills.
Really what they do, and I definitely appreciate that. Travis, Sean, Jeff, and Byron, AB, Kayvon, Zeke, of course, definitely appreciate what they do on the field, but a lot of them on the other team, so I'm actually glad they're not on my team, so Blue Sox most likely will win this thing.
Wesley Matthews was asked about his favorite summer memory, and his response might just give you a little bit of nostalgia.
Staying in hotels was a big thing back then. I'd say, we all remember sprinting down the hallway to hotels. That was the fastest you've ever ran in your life. But I would say that was about it, just being a kid. Really just being out here enjoying being a kid, playing sports.
The winner of today's game is the Blue Sox. This has been Malori Carlow with Dallas Sports Fanatic at Dirk 7th Annual Celebrity Baseball Game. I'll see you next year.